Hey friends, if command prompt and PowerShell keep popping out and disappearing in Windows, then please watch this video. Now, I'll tell you what happens. There are usually a lot of programs, application, commands, and background processes which will trigger them and it will appear. So I usually think that it's normal in certain cases, but there may be reasons where this could be problematic. The first one is a malware attack, and if that is the case, then they are trying to hack your computer. So I'm not saying that this is the only reason, but if this is a reason, it should be sorted out before anything else. So here's what we will do. Search for Windows security in the Windows search bar and open Windows security. And then go to the virus and threat protection tab. Go to scan options, select full scan, scroll down and click on scan now and let it scan through the system. The next one is to remove PowerShell as a startup task. Okay, and how would you do that? So to remove PowerShell as a startup task, search for Task Manager in the Windows search bar and open Task Manager. Now go to the Startups tab on the list on the left hand side and click on Status so that all of it is sorted out by enabled. Do you find PowerShell in this list? Because I do not. I will just disable terminal. It is disabled. Let me check for PowerShell. It is not in this list, so I need not be worried. And command prompt is not in the list either, but if it is, then you can always right click and disable it. The last one is clean boot. Why? Because see, command prompt and PowerShell will obviously be triggered by an application or a command line. Now, if you were running a command line, you would have known that I am running a command line. But if you're not running a command line and you still face this issue, then it could be because of an external program. So how do you counter that? Very simple. Search for system configuration in the Windows search bar and open system configuration. Go to the services tab. Check the box associated with hide on Microsoft services. If any of the services checked, click on disable all, apply, OK, and then restart your computer. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.